Hey friends, I'm cooking dinner for my family and I'm gonna try to cook these nice squash from my garden. This is an acorn squash and a yellow long neck squash. I'm going to fry them in a pan and put some butter on them, a little bit of brown sugar on the acorn squash. I have one little rotten spot. It's gonna be the first thing I cut off. This is the rotten piece. These pieces are not rotten. Oh, there's still more rotten in there. Oh, these pieces are good. Those are bad. Olive cooking spray. Okay, I have that all cut up. This I'm gonna throw away. I'm gonna turn it on. Started to sizzle, and so I turned it down a little bit from high to like medium high because the butter is starting to melt. I don't want to burn them before they cook all the way through, so that's why I turned it down. Now I'm gonna cut this. Are you doing your homework? Oh, I love it. It's beautiful.
I don't have a white, so I'm throwing this one.
That's okay. Good job. So I see that this side of the pan is cooking and that side isn't. So I'm going to move it over slightly. Get that side to cook in too. Oh, it's starting to smell really good. Well, that's so exciting. When all the butter is melted, I'm going to flip it over. See what happens. And none of this was rotten, so I'm just going to throw this away. I'm going to use these wooden tongs from Pampered Chef. They're actually toaster tongs. It's starting to smell really good. Smelling really, really good, and it's melting. I'm going to turn it down to medium heat just to make sure I don't burn it before I flip it. Daddy's home! Yay!
Daddy, I saw you at church.
Cooking pretty well. Okay, I'm going to flip it over. Okay, now they are all flipped over, so I'm going to turn the heat off because it's still sitting in heat, and once the pan is heated up this much, it stays hot for a while. Now I'm going to sprinkle some brown sugar on top. I'm making this recipe up as I go along, so we'll see how it tastes. Should be good. Now I'm going to use this big spatula and put it onto here. So the freeze is in here. Not. It looks like a circle. You're right, baby girl.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking vegetables from my garden.
These are squashes, Mommy.
Yep, they're squash. Because it's sizzling, I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. Are you singing? Hi, baby. And there's Caleb. Hi, Caleb. So it's sizzling significantly. I'm going to turn the heat off. You like your food?
Look, stop.